Chai is a must in India, and this little guy agrees. What a vibrant place!
ये है असली लाइफ दोस्तों।
Oh my goodness, you won't believe what happened at the banana stall.
Tell me, was it Chotu again?
ईशान, तुमने मुझे बहुत नचाया है। अब तुम्हारी बारी है।